Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 204 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Tarte Creaseless Concealer because I have all of the shades right here. But so I won all of these from a giveaway from one of my favorite YouTubers, Kelly Strack, and I'm so excited to win. I feel like I never win things. And this came like right around my birthday, so I'm like, this is such a great birthday gift. But oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. But speaking of giveaways, I'm doing a giveaway myself. On day 200, I posted a video where you can enter to win a $25 gift card to the place of your choice. So if you haven't entered yet, I'll link it down below so that you can go and enter. I'm so excited to try out these concealers because I'm such a fan of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I definitely think that Tarte makes a great concealer. And also, Tarte is a cruelty-free brand. And it's great to see that they have such a nice shade range now. It also came with this really cute brush. I've never used a brush like this, so that's really exciting for me too. This does have 3 full-size versions of shades that seem like they'll be a pretty good match for me, so I'm going to go in with this one. This one is the shade Light Honey, and the packaging is so cute. It's got like frosted glass, might actually be plastic though, and it has this pretty floral print. Oh cute, it's kind of a spatula applicator. It's not exactly a doe foot. Let's see how it looks. I'm really excited about the fact that this is creaseless because I have bad creasing with the Tarte Shape Tape actually. Oh wow, so it does go on very thick. I feel like this applied darker on my skin than it looks in the bottle. Start out by blending in just that one eye. And just to give this a fair chance, I'm not going to go with that brush. I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques sponge, which has been my go-to sponge for a while now. If you want to see my video on this sponge, I'll link it down below. Okay, so I think this one looks a little bit too yellow toned for me. I'm getting some pretty good coverage though. To give this a really fair chance, I'm going to make sure I use my correct shade though. So I'm going to go in with the shade Light instead. Okay, this looks like my better color. The consistency is so thick. It's kind of like sticky. It reminds me of the consistency of the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. So not as kind of watery as the Tarte Shape Tape. Wow, this definitely has some sheen to it. It's blending out nicely though. I will say it's not as full coverage as the Tarte Shape Tape though, because I can see where I tried to cover a blemish. It didn't fully cover it, so I would say this is more of a medium coverage. So I was just looking up a little bit more information about this product, and it retails for $26. It's vegan, it claims to be full coverage, and it comes in 30 shades. It's also waterproof, which is great to me. And it also contains vitamin C, which is an ingredient I love for my skin. It's also paraben and sulfate free. I wanted to give this some time to see if it would crease. I just want to show you my under eyes. The lines, I am getting creasing. And I'm not a big fan of the shiny finish, so I would want to set this with a powder anyways. So I like the way it looks on my under eyes as far as coverage goes and the color, but it definitely was not as creaseless as I was hoping for. And the shine is just not what I'm looking for in a concealer. feel like the shininess of it looks greasy on my skin. Like on my chin, on my nose, I would definitely want to set this with a powder. I do prefer the Tarte Shape Tape or the Collab Flawless Concealer better, but I think that this is a nice product and I'm definitely going to continue to use it. Now that I have all of the colors, I know that I'm going to be able to put these to good use. But yeah, as I'm talking some more, it's still gathering in the lines under my eyes. So I am curious, like, let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this and if you had creasing still, if it didn't crease for you, because I'm really surprised that it's still creasing even though it claims to be creaseless. I will say though, the shininess is good for hydrating the under eyes because I know that concealers can often be drying. So if dry under eyes due to concealer is an issue that you deal with, then this might be a good option to try. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.